What up, good people? Huge shout out to Lincoln Cavalier for allowing me to review the 2017 Lincoln MKZ. Today we're reviewing the 2017 Lincoln MKZ Black Label Edition. Right here we are looking at a 19-inch alloy wheel with a glossy black finish. This particular model have a remote start. Right here is the V6 twin turbo pushing out 400 to all four wheels for the MPG Highway 28 City 20. Here's the sound of it. We have sports pedals to give that sporty feel. Here's your digital analog gauge. On the left you have your engine temperature, on the right you have your gas gauge, in the middle you have a colorful digital display. Now we're bringing it back to your standard steering wheel control with your Bluetooth and volume button alongside your cruise control settings. Also, you have your plus and minus paddle shifters. On the door panel, you have your unlock and lock with your memory seat settings. Now we look down to your one-touch window control. The buttons over here have your part hold with your trunk release alongside your headlight switch. Now we've made our way over to our shift buttons. This particular model is a 6-speed automatic transmission. On the other side of the shift buttons, you have your traction control with your automatic hold alongside your parking and lane assist. We have an 8-inch display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. We then made our way down to the CD player and volume control. Beneath the CD player, you have your dual climate control with your heated and air conditioning seats alongside your heated steering wheel. Beneath the climate control, you have a cubby area with your USB outlet. Now we unveil the cup holder area. Now we're making our way up to your map light and moonroof control. Now we've made our way to the back of the vehicle. This part is very roomy. Back here you have your heated seats with your air vent. Now we unveil the USB and 12-volt outlet. Now we're making our way to the cargo area. This part is very spacious. Once again, huge shout out to Lincoln Cavalier for allowing me to review the 2017 Lincoln MKZ. If you need any information about Lincoln Cavalier, I'll leave the link in the description below. Browse the channel, like, please subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you next video.